Assalamualaikum. Dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIPS Home School. This is Muhammad Imradul Haq, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am here to conduct a math class of class 3. This is the third class of annual term examination. Our today's topic is place value. Okay, let us know what is place value. Dear students, every digit has two types of value. Suppose I am writing a number here. The number is 5, 6, 5, 7, 9. Here are three digits, 5, 7 and 9. Three digits here. If I say what is the value of 9, it means only the 9th thing. Only the 9 item or 9 thing. So we can say the value of the digit 9 is 9. Similarly, the value of the digit 7 is 7. It means 7 items. And value of the digit 5 is 5. It means 5 items or 5 things or 5 taka it may be. Okay, but in this number 5, 7, 9. In this number, this digit has different values. 5, 7, 9. In this number, 9 is in ones position, 7 is in tens position, and 5 is in hundreds position. So the value of 9 in this 9 multiplied by 1, as this is ones position. We have to multiply the digit by the position. So the value of 9 in this number is 9. And value of 7 is, as 7 is in tens position, we have to multiply by 10. It will be 7 tens are 70. So value of 7 in this number is 70. And value of 5 in this number is 5 is in hundreds position, so we have to multiply 5 by 100. We will get 500. So value of 5 in this number is 500. It means that the value of a digit in a number according to its position is known as place value. Again, what is place value? The value of a digit in a number according to its position is known as place value. Okay, now I will show place value of digits in some numbers. Okay, let us see the first number. First number is 7777. Okay, at first let's digit 7. Here, this is ones position, this is tens position, this is hundreds position, and this is thousands position. So we can write 7 ones. And value of 7 ones is, we have to multiply 7 by 1. It will be 7. So write 7 here. Then next digit is 7 again. This position is tens. So we'll write tens. So value of 7 will be 7 tens are 70. So we can write here 70. Now the next digit again 7. This is hundreds position. So we have to write 700. So we have to multiply 7 by 100. We have to multiply 7 by 100. This will be 700. So value of 7 in hundreds position is known as 700. And place value of last 7. This is in thousands position. So we have to write 1000. Thousands. So we have to multiply 7 by 1000. It will be 7,000. So value of 7 in thousands position is 7,000. In this way, we will show the place value of the digits of a number. Now, go to the next question. Here, ones place is 9, tens place is 0, hundreds place is 6, and thousands place is 5. So, we can show the place value of 9 at first. This is 9 ones. So 9 ones means 9 multiplied by 1, this will be 9. And then 0 tens. 0 tens means 0 multiplied by 10. If we multiply 0 by any number, the product will be 0. So we can write here 0. As this is second position, we can write this to 0. 0 tens. So value of this number is 0, 0. Now third digit 6. 6 is in hundreds position. So we have to multiply 6 by 100, it will be 600. So we can write 600. So value of 6, it means positional value of 6 in this number is 600. Now the next number 5. 5 is in thousands position, so we can write 5,000. So we have to multiply 5 by 1,000. This will be 5,000. So we can write here 5,000. So value of 5 is 5,000. The next number is 8975. 5 is in ones position, 7 is in tens position, 9 is in hundreds position, and 8 is in thousands position. So we can write value of 5 is 5 ones, place value of 5 is 5 ones. So you can write here 5 multiplied by 1 means 5. So you can write here 5. Now second digit 7. 7 is in tens position, so we can write here 7 tens. So multiply 7 by 10, as this position is tens position. This will be 70. So we can write here place value of 7 in this number is 70. Now 9 is the hundreds position, so we have to write 9 hundreds. So we have to multiply 9 by 100, this will be 900. So we can write the place value of 9 in this number is 900. Now place value of 8. 8 is in thousands position. So the value of 8, place value of 8 will be 8 multiplied by 1000. If we multiply, this will be 8000. So we can say place value of 8 in this number is 8000. Now go to the next one, D, that is 9180. 0 is in tens position, ones position, 8 is in tens position, 1 is in hundreds position, and 9 is in thousands position. So we can show the place value 0, 1. So we have to multiply 0 by 1, this will be 0. So we can write here 0. Now second digit tens position, that is 8 tens. So we have to multiply 8 by 10, this will be 80. So we can write place value of 8 in this number is 80. Then 1 is in hundreds position, so we have to write 100. 100. So we have to multiply 1 by 100. This will be 100. It means place value of 1 in this number is 100. Now place value of 9 in this number. 9 is in thousands position. So we have to write 9,000. So we have to multiply 9 by 1000. This will be 9,000. So we can say place value of 9 in this number is 9,000. Now we have next two numbers. First one is 2, 5, 3, 6. Indicate the position of the digits ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Here 6 is in ones position, so value of 6 will be 6 ones. It means 6 multiplied by 1 means 6. Then value of 3. 3 is in tens position, so we can write 3 tens. 3 tens means 3 multiplied by 10 means 30. And value of 5 is 5 is in hundreds position, so we can write 500. It will be, if we multiply 5 by 100, it will be 500. And the value of 2. 2 is in thousands position, so we can write 2000. So if we multiply 2 by 1000, it will be 2000. So you can say value of 2 is, place value of 2 in this number is 2000. Okay, now see the last number. 1 is in ones position, so we can write 1 ones, that is 1. 7 tens. So as 7 is in tens position, so it will be 7 tens are 70. 7 tens are 70. And 0 is in hundreds position, so place value of 0 will be 0, 100. If we multiply 0 by any number, the result will be 0. So we can write here 0. But as this is in hundreds position, we can use 30 here. The value of this number is 0. Mainly, the next digit is 4, that is in thousands position, so we can write 4000. So, place value of 4 in this number is 4000. Dear students, try to write the place value of any digit in any number. Using the technique, at first ones place, you have to keep some space, then you have to write ones place. It means that then tens place, keep some space, write the place value of tens place. In this you will write, it means that always you write the ones position in one line and tens position in one line. It means following the same vertical line, you will write the digits. Apply this technique and in this way practice this place value at home. I think all of you have understood our today's topic. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.